to start up a Faceless YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to start up Faceless YouTube channel from scratch, right? So I'll be teaching you how to get the story, how to get the images, how to make the images to videos, and how to add in your voiceovers, or if you want to add in narrator voiceovers. Let's go, let me teach you how to do that. Hi, my name is Okobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize the social media platforms, how to edit videos, how to work with AI tools, and how to grow on social media. So today I'll be teaching you how to actually start up a YouTube channel, a faceless YouTube channel, right? So if you want to start up a faceless YouTube channel, be it cartoon characters or be it African folktale stories, I will be teaching you how to start up this with just zero. And the apps that I'll be walking you through, all these apps are free. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Let's go into the tutorial. So first thing first, what you need to do is, if you don't have a story, you come to ChatGPT and get your story. So I'll open ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. You need to register on it, and you can use it for free to an extent. Yes, you can use it for free for a long time, no stress. Now, when you get to ChatGPT, what you need to do is you can just type where it says message chat, okay? Message ChatGPT, you click on it. Now, when you click on it, you type, give me a prince warrior who fall in love with a village girl, okay? A village girl. Make the story in a Nigerian local format. Okay? So in a Nigerian local format. So we have this, right? Now you click on the arrow and you wait to see what this ChatGPT is going to give you, right? Now this is what you get. The story, full story, okay? I said short story, but you all know ChatGPT will not give you short stories. Never, ever, ever. So let's wait for the story to upload. Let's wait. So this is the story. It's short. It's actually short. Now we have this story. Now we'll come back and you tell ChatGPT, give me image prompt. Sorry. Give me image prompt for each scene. Don't forget, please. Give me image prompt for each scene, right? Each scene, consistent characters. Give me image prompt for each scene with consistent characters. Okay. With consistent characters for each prompt. Now, I'll click here and wait for the image prompt. So we have our image prompt here, okay? Image prompt popping up. Okay, you all can see how it's giving. The first, the second, the third, it's actually giving, the same thing, okay? Yeah, we have lots of scenes, 10. And okay, now this prompts ensure the characters remain consistent across all images while visual brings the story to life. You've seen that. That's what ChatGPT has given us. Now you come up here, you start with the first prompt, you copy the first prompt. Now here they say a strong story. Let's click that prompt. When you click the prompt, what you need to do is you go to your favorite image generator. Okay, now I'll go to piclumen. This is piclumen here, the purple app. I'll go to piclumen and I'll wait for it to open. Now I'm registered on piclumen already. That is the name on the screen. Please register on it and it will pop out like this for you. Now you click on this pen down here. When you click on this pen, I'm using piclumen because it's free. When you click on this pen, you can see images that I've generated, loads and loads of images. Okay, now you come where it says what do you want. You click on it and then you paste your prompt, the prompt that you just generated. You paste your prompt. You come up here, make sure your image is on 16:9 and you're generating 2 images at once. Then you click done. Now you click and wait for your image to pop up. Okay, you wait for your first image that they'll be giving you. Just wait. Let's wait for a while. Okay, so we have this and this. So you decide which of them you want to choose. But these two I love. I'll choose the second one. You choose and download, right? You go to the second prompt. You get the second image. You get the second image. You click. You come back to piclumen. You paste the prompt again. And you wait for it to generate. Okay? I'll not generate all because I don't want the video to be too long, but this is for beginners who want to start telling stories and they don't have funds to pay for apps. I'm giving you the apps that will be free. Remember, the apps that will be free, okay? Now, this is the second prompt, and I can tell you for a fact that this is super good because the image character is good. Now, you see these 3 dots by the side. Under, you click on it, and you download this video, okay? Yeah, I'll go back and I'll take the next prompt, okay? I click on it. I go back to piclumen. Once I get back to piclumen, I do this and I generate. Now, it depends on if you want to tell the story or you want to use a narrator, okay? Now we'll get to the point where if you want to use a narrator, I'll show you how to use the narrator. So this is the village and the village girl. Girl, she's just excited. I like the image, how it looks like. Yeah, the image is nice. So I'll take this one. I'll download this one. Okay. Now we have these photos. Okay. I'll not do too long because I don't want us to waste time. Now, when you have your photos, you go back to ChatGPT, you go to the story itself, right? This is the story. Now, I'll try as much as possible not to do too much. But you who is creating this story, please copy all the story, okay? Make sure you get all the story. Copy it. Copy the story, the full story. Copy it. Now, you copy the story. The next app you're going to, you go to Julio AI, okay? Click here. Okay, so the next app you go to is the Minimax, okay? Now, Minimax have a new version where you do the speech, text-to-speech. You can see it up there, text-to-speech. And you can start here where they say start typing. You see that? Now, you click on there and you paste the image, the video, your write-up. This is your story. I'll just give the slash in the middle. I'll just shut it up, like I'll just dismiss. So I have the full story like this. Okay, so this is Minimax text to speech. Now Minimax have a new feature, text to speech feature that you can use to generate your speech. Now when you come here, down here, you see where it says play girl. You click on top because you want to change the voice to get like a different voice. I used to like men with thicker voice telling my story. So I'll click on gender and I look for male. So they should give me male voiceover. So I'll try to find, let's see, accent. You click on accent. I'll look which of the accent I want to use. You have British, you have Southern, Northern, Indian, British, Australian, English, general. So this one, they did not give us like African accent available. So I'll just click on the English general, okay?
Every syllable carries a promise.
Remember, life will test you, but the rain fell in steady.
I prefer to keep to my... Let me share with you what I've learned over the years.
Okay.
My experience has taught me that patience is truly a virtue.
Okay. Once you choose your voiceover, now I will click and wait for the speech to generate. Okay? I'll wait for the speech to generate. Now on this Hulu Minimax, on Minimax you can actually generate for free, but you need to sign in first and then they'll give you 4,000 coins every day that you use to generate your sound. Okay? So we wait for it to generate.
Once upon a time, in the great kingdom of NRI, there lived a fierce warrior prince named Obiora.
Okay.
He was the pride of his father.
So we have this story. This is our voiceover, right? As the narrator, I'll click by the side here. You see, just by the side here, you see that small arrow that says save. You click and you download this. So once you download this, it goes to your phone, right? it goes to your files. I'll keep that in my file. Now let's go for those. If you want to generate your images, right, you click, you go back, still on Minimax, but another version of Minimax. Okay, still on Minimax, but the Minimax version of image to generate, like where you go and animate your image to make it walk, talk, and all that. So okay, now you have this is Julio AI, right? The Julio AI, this one is image to videos, image to video, or text to video. Okay, now I'll try you all with the image to video, and you see, now you come here where it says, first off, you have image to video, and you have text to video, and you have speech to voice. Okay, now let's go. The first one, we'll click on the first one, then we click on the picture and bring in our picture. So we'll choose the first picture, right? I'll click on the first picture and I choose on the first picture. Then I click done. I'll go to ChatGPT and I take the first prompt of Obiora. This is the first prompt that we use in generating Obiora, right? So I'll click on it, I'll copy it. I go back to the Julio AI where it says unleash your creativity. I'll add it there where it says unleash your creativity. So there I have it. Now down here, you have different options where you see model. If you click on top, like on the models, you see different ones, new features, old features, director, but I'll always choose on this image to video. I'll choose on the other one down. Okay, I'll choose on the basics, then I'll come here where you see 30, you click and wait for it to generate. Now this query might take 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, sometimes 1 hour, depending on the time of the day you're generating, because most times people are generating. So you might do it late at night when you feel like people are sleeping that late and they're not on the app. So it will be easier for you to generate, to change your video, your image into video. So there they said wait for 4 minutes. Perfect. This is a good one. You know, sometimes they'll just tell you wait for 30 minutes, wait for this number of time. So 30 minutes, 4 minutes is not a long time to wait. So we'll just wait and see. And again, please, I'll drop the link to Julio AI in my description box, okay? And please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment whatever you want me to teach you when it comes to this. Now, if you're a new YouTuber who wants to start telling stories, this is the easiest way for you to tell stories without glitching, okay? Without stopping, without wanting, oh, this one is not, no. I'm giving you the free version. You all know there's a lot out there. A lot of people telling you lots of different things, but I'm here to give you the free version of it. So you can start up a faceless channel like this without stressing. So I'm already giving you which one to go to, which one to go to, which one to go to. You already know step by step how you go, okay? So let's wait for this to generate and we'll get back to it. So this is what we got, you see? That's what we got for the first generation. That's what we have, okay? So the next thing that we need to do now is to go and put this story together. You all know how to do it already. Get your story, get this. Let's go put it all together, what we've created, okay? So now the next app, you go to CapCut. You open your CapCut like this. Then you click on New Project. Now you bring in your video starting from the first one, the second, the third, right? You bring it in. You all know how to do this. Some people anyways know how to do this already. So this, what you do is always know that your first story, once you bring in the first story, always add in pictures, the pictures between these stories, because normally these pictures will be the ones to make the section of the story longer, okay? So add in pictures between your videos that you've made. Always add in pictures to keep the story long and make your image stays to where the story is telling. I don't know if you understand that, but yeah. And you can always duplicate the videos as well. So now this is it. I'll come down here and I click on audio, edit, right? When you click on edit, you click on the audio section. When you click on audio, it says sounds, you click on sound. You go to your phone file and bring that audio you made, that voiceover. I'll click here and then click on device, right? When I click on device, then I'll click select from device. When I click select from device, this is my story, okay? This is the story that we did before now from Minimax, and I'll bring it in. So this is it. I'll click on here, and this is the story. Let's listen.
Once upon a time, in the great kingdom of NRI, there lived a fierce warrior prince named Obiora. He was the pride of his father, King Izudo.
Okay, now I'll click here and duplicate the first video because I want it to stay until they finish talking about Obiora, where he is the king, the prince, before it goes to where he was riding the horse. Okay,
His heart longed for something more, something even war could not bring him.
yeah. So you see how you align your stories. When you're done aligning your stories like this, you just click on export and you export your video. Okay, and that's it. Easy peasy. Seriously.
NRI.